Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to pass special value without formula. Why would you want to know how to pass special value? Well, maybe you want to get the value without any formula. So today I am going to show you how to pass special value without formula. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Now we have the price. And the price had formula. We want just to copy the number, not the formula. Copy, then click mean, special, paste special, and we're gonna choose values, just values. Press OK. Now you get the numbers, not the formula. That easy. There you go. If you want to know how to pass special value without formula, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to pass special value, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.